Okay, hi everybody. It's Brian. So I wanted to do a little bit of a demo on how we can use Suno with a laptop PC. I know that's something that Sean, creator of this great group, and I have both espoused a lot. I think you can get a lot done in the browser on a PC if you have some pretty good screen reader skills. For today's demonstration, I'm going to use Chrome. That just happens to be my flavor of choice, although I imagine most any other browser is going to work pretty good. I'm also going to use NVDA for most of this just because that's what I use the most. That's what I'm most comfortable with. But later in the demonstration, I'm going to switch to JAWS and show off a couple of features using that screen reader as well. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to go through the steps real quick of creating a song from scratch. And so right now I've got the Suno page loaded.
Suno.AI Music - Google Chrome.
And I always do this. I always start from the create page within Suno. There's a me page, which is below that, which is kind of like your little library. But I've had much more success going to the create page, even if I'm looking for songs that I already have in my library, I can find them from the create page. So I'm going to just arrow down from the top until I get to the create link. It's not very far.
Clickable button graphic Brian. Link suno.com. Link graphic. Visited same page link create.
There's create. I'm going to hit enter. Doesn't really say much at this point. But if I start to arrow down, it's going to go through some different things at the top, and eventually we'll get to the area that we're looking for. I'm just going to kind of go through this very quick because we don't really need to listen to this stuff until we get to the area where we're trying to create the song.
Visited same page button. Visited link me. Visited link link search. Link graphic. Link hooks. Link graphic. Link explore. Link graphic. Link live dash. Link graphic. Link notification. Link graphic. Link 2000 button collapsed o button. Button collapsed opens dialog. Clickable button credits remaining button simple. Button custom. Button V5.
So I'm going to stop right there.
Button custom.
There's custom button.
Button simple.
There's simple. We want to make sure we're doing custom if we want to have better control over a lot of this stuff.
Button custom.
And it remembers custom. That's the one that I always pick. I never have to do this ever again, but I stopped there just because I just remembered that.
Button V5.
That's the version that I'm using right now, version 5.
Button add audio dash upload or record.
I'm going to show that in a second because I want to show you guys how you can upload your own audio and then do some pretty cool stuff with it. But from here, I'm starting to get close to editing the parameters to creating the song.
Button add persona. Button add inspiration from a playlist. Button expanded lyrics.
So lyrics, that's kind of what I'm looking for now.
Button unavailable undo lyrics changes. Button unavailable save lyrics prompt. Button unavailable clear lyrics. Button. Write some lyrics m dash or leave blank for instrumental edit multi-line.
All right, so this multi-line field here is where I'm going to put some lyrics.
Write some lyrics m dash or leave blank for instrumental edit multi-line blank.
Now I'm not going to let you guys or force you guys to have to listen to me type. I'm just going to paste what I have on my clipboard. Hopefully it did it.
Here are the lyrics for a
yeah. And then you'll get to hear these in a second when I make the actual song. So that's the lyrics edit field. I'm going to back out of that, go back to browse.
Who knows, maybe both are grand, so you can't enhance lyrics left paren, e.g. Quote make it sound happier quote right paren, edit.
There's a prompt there to get the AI to try to help you with your lyrics. I have fiddled with it and not had much success. Doesn't mean it's not usable. But I tend to use just GPT to help write the lyrics anyway. So I bring everything over here on my own. Continuing past that.
Clickable. Button expanded styles.
We're starting to get into the styles. And I'm just looking right now for an edit field where I can type in the style that I want.
Button unavailable. Button unavailable. Button. Button upsample styles. Indie, electronic, synths, 120 BPM, distorted edit multi-line.
Again, a multi-line edit field. I could have gotten to these edit fields by hitting E, but I wanted to kind of show you guys how to get there first.
Indie, electronic, synths, 120 BPM, distorted edit multi-line blank.
And those are kind of suggestions. I'm just going to put in country polka.
COUNTY space POLKA. County polka.
Oops.
COUNTYR. Country polka.
There we go. Country polka. Now, below this are going to be some buttons for some different styles that I could put into that edit field. But I think what a lot of us have really gotten fond of doing lately is going into that edit field and being really descriptive with a lot of what you do, from the speed to the style. There's all different kinds of things that you can do to it. A lot of times my prompts now are, 500 words or so, because I'm really descriptive in what I put into the style. A lot of times I'll go over to GPT and start to have it help me write the particular style and come up with a very, very descriptive style. But for now, I'm just going to put country polka. And then I'm going to skip past a lot of these suggested below that.
Out of edit button. Button add style colon, chip button add style colon, opium. Button add style colon, org. Button add style colon, string orchestra. Button add style colon, funk.
All right, so let's do funk. So I added funk in there. If I go back to that field now.
Indie, electronic, synths, 120 BPM, distorted edit multi-line country polka, funk.
And now it says country polka funk. All right, so I'm going to skip all those buttons. I'm looking for the next edit field from here.
Song title left paren, optional right paren, edit. Song title left paren.
All right, song title. I'm just going to funky.
UNKLY space COUNTRY space POLKA. Spelling error funkly country polka. Funkly selected FUNKY space. Funky country polka.
All right, so that's going to be the name. I'm going to put a number at the end.
Blank space 1.
Because if I come back and recreate the song again, the next time I come through, I could add a 3. And then the time after that, I could add a 5. And that helps me with a little bit of the numbering of knowing which one is which. After this, I'm looking for a button that says create. So from here, I'm just going to hit B.
Open workspace drop-down button. Clear all form inputs button.
That clear all forms is very important. If you start to load files and you're trying to edit them, and it's just remember, you can clear all the parameters with that button right there.
Create song button.
Then we get to create song. I'm going to hit enter on that. And depending on how much time goes by, this can be a quick process. It can be slow. I'm going to continue to talk here to try to kill some time. I'm really hoping to kill about 10 seconds or so. And I'm going to jump to the top of the page with Control Home.
Button.
Then hit T to jump to the table.
Clickable table button.
From there, I'm going to hit G for graphic.
Clickable funky country polka 1 artwork graphic.
There's the first version of the song. And if I hit enter.
Here are the lyrics for a little song. Who knows, maybe we'll include a gong. Both are grand, so you can't go wrong. Unless you make your song too darn long. Here are...
All right. If you don't hit enter, it's going to keep playing and playing and playing and playing and playing. All right. Now from here, if I start to hit B,
like clip button.
I can go through some buttons here, but they never seem to work.
Dislike clip button.
A like and dislike.
Share clip button.
Share clip. Sometimes you can get a link.
Publish clip button. Remix/edit clip button.
I can never get the remix button to work.
More menu contents button.
But if I go to this more menu button here and hit enter.
Button more menu contents.
And then hit tab.
Clickable button.
Doesn't show anything. But if I go to the bottom of the page.
Out of table button, move to trash.
And then start to up arrow from there.
Button report. Button download. Button share. Button visibility and permissions.
And again, I'm just hitting up arrow, but it's like there's a menu down here.
Button song details. Button publish. Button move to workspace.
I'm going to go back to download.
Button publish. Button song details. Button visibility and button share. Button download.
Hit enter on that. Doesn't really say anything, but if I hit tab.
MP3 audio button.
There's MP3. If I hit tab again.
Wave audio button.
There's wave. I'm going to go back to MP3.
MP3 audio button.
Hit enter.
Save as dialog. File name : combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected funky country polka 1.mp3.
All right, I want to leave it as is. I believe that the folder that I've got selected is all okay. It's the last folder I was in. I'm going to show you that here in a second. I'm just going to hit enter here.
Dial Suno.bar AI Music dash Google Chrome window. Suno.bar AI Music document. Clickable. Suno.bar AI Music dash Google Chrome.
All right, now that should have saved the file for me. I'm going to go to my other folder and here check.
Zoom Workplace. Screen sharing meeting. Reaper Amelia's C: Funky Country Polka 1.mp3 checked 8 of 8.
There it is. That's the song that I just made. Now, the reason why I like to do that is because I use an audio editor. And so having the file in this place allows me to get in there and edit them. I'll show you some cool stuff that we can do with that here in a second. Okay, so I've got another file here. I'm just going to stay in this folder to kind of show you this other file here real quick.
Reaper Dusty Farts, Amelia's Ascent original.mp3.
All right, so this is a song I call Amelia's Ascent. I'm going to start it here and let you hear about the first maybe 10 seconds.
Tab Control. Button pause the Suno.bar AI Music.
Okay, so you get kind of an idea of that particular song. I also
Zoom Workplace screen sharing Reaper Amelia's Ascent Reaper
have it loaded here in Reaper, and I've got my cursor positioned at the 1 minute 30-second mark, because what I'd like to do is I would like to jump to this spot in the song as it exists, and from this spot in the song I would like to have a totally different ending. And you can do this at various points in the song, and I'll kind of show you a spot to do this. It can be a little wonky, so you might have to experiment a little. I had to do this a few times, but it was pretty consistent when I tried to go more towards the middle of the song than towards the end. Okay, so first to do so, this is going to involve me uploading a song into Suno. And this is where this is what a lot of people like to do now, where they can create their own melody, do it however you want. I just have to have an existing song from Suno that I'm going to use because I can't make a lick of music, to be honest.
Suno.bar AI Music dash Google Suno.bar.
Okay, so back in Suno, I'm going to head up to the top.
Button. Clickable. Write some lyrics.
Go to that lyrics field. Actually, I'm going to try to use that clear parameters button.
Clear all form inputs button.
There we go.
Clear all form inputs button unavailable.
All right, so now if I go to the
Button.
top,
Clickable. Write some lyrics M dash.
and I just went to the top and then pressed E to jump to that lyrics edit field. And from here, I'm going to up arrow.
Out of edit button. Button unavailable. Clear lyric. Button unavailable. Save lyric. Button unavailable. Undo lyrics. Button expanded lyrics. Button add inspiration from a playlist. Button add persona. Button add audio dash upload or record.
Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I will get that to repeat that here.
Button add audio dash upload or record.
Add audio. I'm going to hit enter on that. Doesn't say anything. And I'm going to hit tab.
Upload button.
And there's an upload button. I'm going to hit enter on that.
Open dialog file name : combo box collect.
Okay, I get the open file dialog box. I'm going to shift tab a couple times.
Items backups not selected 1.
I'm going to hit A.
Amelia's Ascent original.
There's Amelia's Ascent. I'm going to hit enter to select that.
Suno.bar AI Music dash Google Chrome window. Suno.bar AI Music document. Clickable. Dialog. Clickable close button. Button close. Heading clickable level 3 Amelia's Ascent original. Button. 02:20/02:20 button. Clickable. 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 Button start over. Button save. Trim.
Okay, so a lot of really don't know what's going on there. JAWS can help with that. I'll show you guys that in a second. But since I've been here before, I know I need to get to the save button.
Save button.
And hit enter.
Cancel button.
What that's going to do is that's going to upload that track to my library, so to speak, and I'll be able to find it down below in this table that's on this page and to do some pretty cool stuff with it.
Dismiss success song details updated successfully. Dismiss success song details updated successfully. Clickable notifications dash bottom region song details updated successfully.
And that was good. Sometimes we don't get that notification, but it does take a little while. It doesn't happen automatically. Now that I've heard that, I should be able to find it kind of in my library. Now, to kind of backtrack a little bit, when you upload music, it needs to be between 3 seconds and 8 minutes. And so there's the ability, if you had something that was, say, longer than 8 minutes, say it was 15 minutes, you could upload 15 minutes, but you have these little sliders that would allow you to say, I just want these 8 minutes of that whole 15-minute segment. Unfortunately, our screen reader can't grab those sliders and move them around. It seems to be a mouse only thing. So my recommendation to you guys is make sure that your uploaded song is between 3 seconds and 8 minutes already. Once you do that, I'm going to jump to the top of the page.
Out of region button.
Hit T for table.
Clickable table button.
G for the next graphic.
Clickable Amelia's Ascent original artwork graphic.
There it is. If I want to listen to it, I can hit enter. And there it is. If I start using B,
like clip, dislike clip, share clip, but publish clip button, remix/edit clip button, more menu contents button.
Again, I'm going to go to that more menu button and hit enter.
Button more menu contents, clickable button, clickable graphic funky country poll.
And if I just hit down arrow a couple times, it doesn't seem like there's anything there. I have to go to the bottom of the page, control end.
Out of table button, move to trash.
And then from there, I could use shift B or up arrow. I'm going to use shift B this time.
Report button, download button, share button, visibility and permission, song details button, publish button, move to workspace button, add to playlist button, add to queue button, get stems button, create button, remix/edit button.
Remix/edit. I'm going to hit enter.
Remix/edit button.
And then tab into this kind of submenu.
Open in studio button.
Open in studio. I've tried that, but every time I go in there, I get a prompt that says you need to go up to Suno Ferengi level. No, not Ferengi level. It's whatever the highest level, $25 a month. And I don't want to pay that much. So every time I go in there, I think I might have got in there one time as like a free trial, and I kind of poked around and I could get the sliders to move a little bit. But other than that, I haven't had much use to get into it and do much with it.
Open an editor button.
The editor, again, I've gone in there and poked around a little bit, but I seem to get stuck on being able to select segments and things like that. It seems like a very mouse-driven feature, so I just haven't really had much success in that particular area.
Cover button.
I'm going to come back to cover.
Extend button.
But right now I'm going to do extend. So I'm going to hit enter on extend. Doesn't really say anything, but I'm going to use shift E and go back a couple text fields and see if there's a different name in the name edit box.
Clickable search clips, edit search, song title left paren, optional right paren, edit Amelia's Ascent original left paren, extend right paren.
So it's added the word extend to the name. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to go in here and edit this name.
A, Ascent, original, original select left paren, Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren.
All right, so I'm just going to take the original part out. We're just going to call it extend. Now, I'm going to go backwards from here. I'm going to use shift E. Now, that song doesn't have any lyrics or anything like that, so there's nothing like that I want to mess with. I don't really want to change the style or anything. I'm just looking right now for the box where I can put in the time that I want to extend it from. So again, shift E to go backwards.
Indie, electronic, enhance lyrics left paren, write some lyrics M- or section multi-line editable 01:38.0.
So right now it's set to 138.0. If I go into that field with the space bar here.
Section multi-line editable 01:.
I'm going to select all of that.
01:38.0 selected.
And I'm going to type in
dash,
0,
unselect dash, 0, 1, colon, 3, 0.
0.
Suno.AI music document.
Enter. And then check it.
Suno.AI music document focused read only. Out of section extend from section multi-line editable 01:30.0.
So now it says 130. From here, I can look for the create button.
Form create song button.
Create song button. And hit enter. And again, I'm going to try and kill about 10 seconds or so Sometimes this can go faster, sometimes this can go slower, just depending on traffic and things like that. So I'm going to jump now to the top of the page,
Button.
hit T,
Clickable table show new clips button.
and then G.
Clickable Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren, artwork graphic.
So there it is. I'm going to enter. Okay, I know that's definitely different because I know the song. I'm going to show you to you guys here in a second. I hit again when I got the focus G on that graphic, I can hit enter to play and pause it. Sometimes the focus jumps around. If it does, you'll have to go like all the way down to the bottom of the page and use Shift B about 12 times to get to the pause button that's located down at the bottom of the page if a song is playing. Fortunately, I didn't have to do that. I could just stay on the graphic and use enter to play and pause it. So from here, I'm going to look for the more menu again. So using B.
Like clip button, dislike clip button, share clip button, publish clip button, get full song button, remix/edit clip button, more menu contents button.
More menu, hit enter.
Button more menu contents.
And then I'm going to go down to the bottom.
Out of table button move to trash. Button report, button download.
And use download. Hit tab.
MP3 audio button.
I'm just going to use MP3.
Save as dialog. File name : combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren, .mp3.
So the name's okay. I can hit enter. It's going to save it in my last location.
Suno.AI music - Google Chrome window.
And now I'm going to go over here to this other folder.
Reaper Amelia's Zoom workplace screen sharing meeting. Suno.AI Reaper Amelia's Ascent Zoom workplace. Return to meeting.
Let me get it open here.
Favorite folders. G generated. Returned sequences checked S. Sports stings checked. Suno mute. Suno mute. All that Vox check M. Mixes checked. Back.
Okay, so now we're looking for the extension.
A. Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren.
There it is. I'm going to copy that. Control C. And then I'm going to go over to Reaper.
Zoom workplace row. Suno.AI Reaper Amelia's.
All right, so in Reaper, and this is really not to demonstrate Reaper. I'm more demonstrating that I can make this song extend from the 1 minute 30 mark. So in Reaper, I've got essentially two tracks. I've got the original track,
22111 item,
which is 1, and it's got 1 item on it.
1 Amelia's Ascent original .mp30 min.
It's got Amelia's original. If I go to my marker here.
Marker 2 inserted.
Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
Undo at marker 1 minute 30.000 SEC.
So now I'm at the 1 minute 30 second. Double check. Here we go.
1 minute 30.000 SEC.
Okay, 1 minute 30. I'm going to go to track 2.
22.
And I'm going to paste this extension here.
Reaper Amelia's Ascent remix left bracket.
Now it's not going to line up perfectly.
1 Amelia's Ascent left paren. 1 Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren, .mp3.
So there it is. I'm going to back up about 1 second here.
29.000 SEC.
So we're at the 29-second mark, and I'm going to start to play this.
Play. Stop.
So you can tell they're a little bit off. Here, I'm going to back it up 2 seconds.
28.
You hear one track, and then you hear the second one kind of chime in, and they'll kind of mirror each other.
Play. Stop.
All right, it means they're off just a little bit. What I need to do is I need to nudge this one. Probably, I'm going to try and nudge it one direction, just to hear a couple.
Move item 30.10. Play. Stop.
No, that made it worse. So I'm going to go the other way.
Move 30.29. Play. Stop. Move item. Play. Stop.
There you go. That's pretty good. So we've got 2 of them going here. And at one point, I'm going to jump the focus up to track 1 here.
111 item.
At some point I'm going to mute track 1 so you can hear that track 2 is going. But hearing them both together is kind of interesting too. So here we go. I'm going to let them go here.
Play. Pause.
Okay, so I'm going to stop it right there because you hear the very, very high tone going there.
221 I.
That's actually track 2. If I mute it
Muted.
and I play it,
Play. Pause.
you don't hear that very high pitched thing.
Unmuted.
If I unmute it,
Play.
Creative editing. Creative editing.
if I go up,
Pause.
if I go up and I mute track 1
111 item. Muted.
and I continue playing,
Play.
you can hear that's going.
Pause.
Creative editing. Creative editing. Creative editing.
That's just showing how you can extend. Let's go back to Suno.
C:\Zoom Workplace, Suno.AI Music dash, Suno.AI Music dash Google Chrome window, Suno.AI Music dot.
And let's look at,
Clickable, clickable.
now let's look at doing another fun activity with the file.
Blank.
So I'm going to go back to the table
Button. Clickable table button.
and G for the graphic.
Clickable Amelia's Ascent left paren, extend right paren.
I'm going to get back to the original song
Clickable
here.
Amelia. Clickable Amelia's Ascent original. Clickable. Clickable Amelia's Ascent original.
So I'm going to go back to the original song. There we go, original song.
Like, clip, dislike, share clip button. Publish clip button. Remix/edit clip button. More menu contents button.
I'm going to go into the more menu here
Button more menu contents.
and then head down to the bottom of the
Out
page
of table button.
and look for that edit.
Report down, share, visit, saw, publish, move to work, add to playlist, add to queue, get stems, but create button, remix/edit button. Create but remix clickable button, remix/edit button.
There we go, remix/edit.
Remix/edit button.
Tab into that submenu.
Open in studio button. Open in editor, cover button.
Let's try cover. Again, I hit enter, it doesn't say anything, but if I use Shift E a couple times,
Clickable table number, search clips, edit search, song title left paren, optional right paren, edit Amelia's Ascent original left paren, cover right paren.
so there's cover. So again, I'm going to fix that name.
Amelia Ascent original, original select left, Amelia's Ascent left paren, cover right.
And I'm not going to mess with any other settings here.
Indie, electron, enhance lyrics, write some lyrics M dash button. Indie, button, add style colon, song title left paren, open workspace, clear all form in create song button.
And just create song. And again, I'm going to try and kill about 10 seconds or so. Jump to the top of the page,
Button.
hit T,
Clickable table button.
and then G.
Clickable Amelia's Ascent left paren, cover right paren, artwork graphic.
And I'm going to hit enter on that. All right, so that definitely sounded different. Let's see what the other one sounds like. If I hit G and go to the second version,
Clickable Amelia's Ascent left paren, cover right paren, artwork graphic.
all right, so again, we're getting some different versions of those covers, so to speak. To kind of show you what it's like with a song with lyrics, here I'm going to upload a song that I've got that's got some lyrics.
Search clips, edit search, filters left paren, 3 right newest button, table clickable button, like clip button, search, song title left open works, clear all form inputs button.
I'm going to clear,
Unavailable.
then I'm going to go back up to that top
Button.
edit field.
Clickable write some lyrics M
And then reverse B from there.
button. Clear lyrics but save lyrics undo lyrics lyrics button add inspiration from add persona button add audio dash upload or record button.
And I'm looking for that add audio. So hit enter on that. And then tab
Upload button.
to upload.
Open dialog file name.
It's got the same folder. So if I just use shift.
Item backups not selected 1 of 8. D. Dusty farts.
I'm going to grab this file here.
Suno.AI music dash Google Chrome window. Suno.AI music document. Clickable. Dialog. Clickable close button. Button close. Heading clickable level 3 Dusty farts jingle 7. Button. 01:34/01:34 button. Clickable. 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 Button start over. Button save. Trim your audio button save.
And again, I'm going to use the save button.
Unknown. Cancel button.
And we'll have to give it a few seconds. We'll see if we get the same notification as we got last time when it was done uploading the file. And I'm tap dancing and trying to kill.
Dismiss success song details updated successfully. Dismiss success song details updated successfully. Clickable.
So not bad as far as time. So now I can hit T.
Wrapping to top. Clickable table button.
Table G.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 artwork graphic.
And that means that the file is in there. So I'm going to use B.
Like clip, dislike clip, share clip button. Publish clip button. Remix/edit clip, more menu contents button.
And let's go ahead and do a cover real quick, and then I'll show you the two of them side by side.
Button, more menu contents.
Again, I use that more menu when I head to the bottom of the page.
Out of table button, move to trash.
And reverse with Shift B.
Report, download, share, visibility, song, publish, move to works, add to playlist, add to queue, get stems button, create button, remix/edit button, remix/open in edit cover button.
I'm going to use cover. And then Shift E.
Clickable search clips, song title left paren, optional right paren, edit Dusty farts jingle 7 left paren, cover right paren.
And we'll leave cover the same there. From there, I can use B.
Open workspace drop down, clear all form input, create song button.
And create song with
create
enter.
Song button.
And we start our little 10 seconds of delay time. Control home for top.
Button.
T for table.
Clickable table button.
G.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 left paren, cover right paren, artwork graphic.
And things have been rolling really, really fast tonight. So if I hit enter on that, actually, let's listen to the original first. So G again.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 left paren, cover right paren.
That's the second of our two covers. One more G.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 artwork graphic.
There's the original. Let's listen to the first few bars of this.
Lantern swinging low in the autumn breeze. Old porch lights flicker through the sleepy trees.
Okay, so it's kind of a Halloween themed song. Let's see what the covers have turned up. So I'm going to use Shift G.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 left paren, cover right paren, artwork graphic.
Here's the second of them. I'm just going to hit enter on this.
Lantern swinging low in the autumn breeze. Old porch lights flicker through the sleepy trees.
Okay, I like how the voice sounds very similar. Let's try the first cover.
Clickable Dusty farts jingle 7 left paren, cover right paren, artwork graphic.
And I'm going to just hit enter here.
Lantern swinging low in the autumn breeze. Old porch lights flicker through the sleepy trees.
Actually, I kind of like that one better. Shame on me. I should have gone through some of these covers a little bit more. That one actually is better than the version that I ended up using. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to switch over to JAWS just so I can demonstrate some stuff there real quick. I'm going to go ahead and shut Chrome down completely.
Reaper Amelia's Ascent Remix.
I'm going to go ahead and shut Reaper down because we don't need it anymore.
Reaper query dialog save project Reaper Amelia's Ascent Remix.rpp. C:\\.
And then I'm going to kill my NVDA here. And we'll get JAWS going. Now, this is JAWS 2025. I don't know if it has the absolute latest update.
Creative editing, creative editing.
Okay, so I've got JAWS loaded. It's JAWS 2025. And I'm back on the Suno create page. If I hit T to find that convenient table, nothing happens. So I've got to figure out other ways to get to that same area. I tend to just use E.
Number edit 1.
And then G.
Wrapping the top. Suno.com. Write some lyrics. M-Dasher lead. Dusty farts. Jingle 7. Left parent cover. Right parent artwork graphic.
Okay, so there it is. There's that last song that we listened to. And I'm going to grab some stems.
Like, click, dislike, share, click, publish, click, remix, / more menu contents, but space, Suno vertical bar AI music document.
Now, JAWS, if I stay by this more menu and I just use tab.
Suno vertical bar AI music, more menu contents button. Remix / edit button.
It goes into that menu, whereas NVDA did not. So I'm just going to go down to get stems.
Create button. Get stems button.
And hit enter.
Enter. Suno vertical bar AI music document.
Now I'm going to go down to the bottom here.
Extract left parent and credits right parent button. Get an isolated vocal track and an instrumental track. Extract left parent and credits right parent button.
That's all I really want. I want to get the vocals separated. Actually, no, let's go ahead and do the full thing. I could just get the vocals separated, but I'm going to show you how you can get all of them.
Get an isolated vocals plus instrumental. Extract left parent 50 credits right parent button.
50 credits. I'm going to do it. I'm going to hit enter.
Enter unavailable.
Then I'm going to jump back down to the bottom.
Edit and studio button unavailable. Extracting stem ...
And it says extracting stem ... You'll have to wait for it. And I'm going to cut that out, this wait time, but I'll time it here.
Creative editing, creative editing.
Okay, so it took about 30 seconds or so, and I'm back on the page, and now I can look for whichever particular stems that I want. I'm just going to choose download all because it'll give me them all in a zip file, and I can handle that. So I've found download all.
Reject download all button.
And I'm going to hit enter on that.
Enter unavailable. Save as dialog. Explorer pane. Folder layout pane. Details pane. File name : edit combo. Dusty farts jingle 7 left parent cover right.
And I'm just going to call it
STES space DUSTY. Top stems Dusty.
Stems dust. And I believe it's going to go in the same folder. Just going to hit enter.
Enter. Downloading stems dusty.zip 0% remaining. Suno vertical bar AI music - Google Chrome unavailable. Suno vertical bar AI music - Google Chrome page. Suno vertical.
Okay, I'm going to jump back over to that folder.
C:\/ .audio play end. Stems dusty.zip checked 10 of 10.
There it is. I'm going to hit enter and just jump right into the zip file.
Enter. Explorer pane unavailable. C:\/ .audio. 1 backing vocals.mp3 checked 2 of 7.
So it looks like it created 7 different stems.
2 drums.mp3 checked. 3 bass.mp3 checked 4 of 7.
Let's check out the bass.
Enter. 3 bass.mp3 -VLC media player.
And there may not be anything for a little while, so I'm going to use the right arrow. Okay. Let's see what else we got.
Alt F4.
Let's see other stems.
4 guitar.mp3, 5 synth.mp4, 2 drums.mp3, checked 3 of 7.
Let's try drums.
Enter. 2 drums.mp3 -VLC media player.
And again, I'm going to just right arrow. Okay, drums.
Alt F4.
Let's get down and let's see if we can find the
3
vocals.
bass. 4 guitar. 5 synth. M 6 other. MP3. 5 4 guitar. 3 bass. 2 drums. M 1 backing vocals. MP3 checked. 2 of 7.
Let's try that.
0 lead vocals. MP3.
Oh, lead vocals. Let's go lead vocals.
Enter. 0 lead vocals.
And there's definitely nothing at the beginning here, so I'm gonna right arrow.
Lantern swinging low in the autumn breeze.
Alt F4.
Now you could cut and clip and use that however you like. Very cool grabbing the stems though.
Suno vertical bar AI music dash Google.
As far as other buttons and things, JAWS seems to handle them very well. Here's another nice thing that JAWS does though.
Edit and studio button. Unlabeled 51 button.
There's an unlabeled button right there. If I go insert G.
Download button.
Oh, there's a download button. Now if I hit enter on it,
Enter.
nothing's gonna happen.
Suno vertical bar A unlabeled 0 button. Brian button.
But you can use that labeler, and it does remember. There's spots on this page that I was labeling earlier. That's a really convenient little thing that you can get to. To be perfectly honest, I found that the majority of buttons that you come across that are unlabeled are not necessarily things that we have to interact with to be very productive in Suno as it is. So you can label them and do things like that. It may increase your workflow. It just depends on what you're trying to do in it. Hopefully this sheds some light. Hopefully I get some time in the future to treat this proper and do a really nice demo on it. But I wanted to get something out while I had some time. Thanks everybody. Hope you enjoyed it.